everyone, and welcome back to another episode of The Traveling Man. Recently, we took a look at the trolls, the giant trolls over at the Allwood Metro Parks, and they were awesome. And I found out that there were other trolls over here just outside of Louisville, Kentucky. So we're here at the Bernheim Arboretum and Forest to check out the giant trolls that they have here, as well as all the other cool things that they have, like the gift shop, the cafe, and the forest canopy walk. So come on and follow us. Today is Mother's Day, so guess what? I got my mom some scented fragrant soap. What is that? That's the Finchery?
It's Finchberry.
Finchberry is the brand of soap.
Came in its own bag, and it's beautiful. It was kind of expensive, but it's worth it. It'll last a long time.
Fancy, fancy. Come on, let's go take a look at the other trolls.
Yay!
All right, so here we have, this is the Visitor Center, Isaac's Cafe, Gift Shop, the Forest Giants. Basically, this is the main attraction. Look at all the bees we have here. I don't know if they're going to show up in the video, but they are loving this. I think that's honeysuckle.
There's the honeysuckle.
Yeah, it's honeysuckle.
That we just got rid of.
Yep. Yeah, honeysuckle. Something just jumped into the... I just saw it. Something jumped in there. Yeah, take a look at all the bees. Like, whoa, those are huge. Got a butterfly here and all of these amazing vines that are attracting tons of bees. Up there you can see that is got some wisteria going on. Here you can see there is a map of the place with the forest giants. They are labeled like that. So yeah, let's head inside and take a look at the gift shop and visitor center. Oh wow, this place is really cool. I think this has got to be the coolest visitor center ever at a park that I've ever been to.
It's like
Look at all the cool stuff they have for sale. Books on birding. You got handmade local crafts.
the scarves are beautiful. Whoa. I didn't expect anybody with this.
Looks like we got ourselves a troll pillow. Or is that a troll-illo? A troillo? Whatever you want to call that. And then over here they've got some shirts for sale that say Forest Giants. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at this. We got giant troll footprints here on the floor. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Look at this. We have a giant piece of tree here. It says, this white oak lived 146 years. Wow. And then it fell during an ice storm in 2013. Look at how massive that is. Oh, here you can get a little look at the cafe. Some of the other things that they have for sale. Oh, looks like we got ourselves a troll over here. Yes, there is a giant troll cutout. Ooh, look at these troll shirts. I actually really kind of like this hot pink one. That's pretty cool. So this is Isaac's Cafe. They have all kinds of sandwiches and kind of lighter fare type stuff, but that is so cool to have a cafe at your at the park, and they even have ice cream.
Old lady needs bourbon.
If you're enjoying this video so far, then why not hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any future videos. Before we head off to find our first troll, I'd like to take a moment to thank all of my Patreon supporters. Without your generous donations, videos like this would not be possible. If you'd like to become a member and gain access to all the exclusive perks and extra content, then head on over to the Patreon link on screen or in the description box below. And thank you everyone for supporting the work I do. It looks like this place makes it a whole lot easier to find the trolls because along the pathway we have giant troll footprints to guide the way. Doesn't look like we're going to have to do a whole lot of hunting for them this time. Here at the Bernheim Arboretum and Forest, there are 3 trolls for us to see, and we are headed off to see the very first one. Oh, wow, look at this. We got this huge lake over here. Or do you consider this a pond? I consider it more of a lake than I would a pond.
Yes, it's too big.
I think it's too big to be a pond. So this park has all kinds of art sculptures throughout. You can see here's one of them here, right at the edge of the lake. This says that it's siblings. Huh. And then of course across the lake is our very first troll.
Oh, they're all swimming.
See all the turtles, Keith?
And you can see the fish. Oh, you didn't come the last time, right? You wasn't there?
All right, so here is our first look at the troll. This one's right here at the edge of the lake, and it is awesome. So yeah, there's your first look at the very first troll. These are the trolls still by Thomas Dambo, who we got to see when we were up at the Allwood Audubon Center and the Allwood Metro Park up in the Dayton area. And these are still just as awesome. Wow, it is really crowded here, so it's going to be kind of very difficult to film the trolls without lots of people around, but we're going to try. There, everyone, you can see my mom, aka Crazy Old Lady, standing under a troll's armpit. That's amazing. It gives you a good perspective of how big these trolls actually are. Wave to everyone. There you go. I'll zoom in so you can see her waving.
Thing about her?
So what'd you think about your first troll encounter?
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think these are really cool, and they're all made out of recycled materials too.
That's really cool too.
Mostly like recycled pallets, wooden pallets from stores.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
I went under the armpit and never fell in the lake. Crazy Old Lady is still dry.
Congratulations. You win a prize.
Yes, I do. What?
Well, that soap I bought you.
Oh, okay. What? Don't get so close. My nose gets gigantic.
Only if I do that.
Stop it. No.
You have to tell us about the troll we just visited.
Okay, Chris said it didn't have a name, but there's a big sign behind me that says Little Nis, and that's who we just saw.
So this is the trail that leads off to the final 2 trolls that are located here at the park. There's an art installation way back in there. You really kind of can't see it. It's that little bit of orangish red peeking through the trees. And this part of the trail is unpaved. So let me know down in the comment section below. I've heard of holly bushes, but have you ever heard of holly trees? Because these are definitely trees, and they're definitely of the holly variety, because the sign here says hidden in the hollies. That sign is kind of falling apart. And yeah, you can definitely tell these are hollies because they're pokey and looks like they're about to bloom. Oh, looks like we have another sign here informing us of the forest giants and that they're off to the left. Oh wow, look at over here. We have some native rhododendrons and they are in full bloom. Those are amazing. I have some of these actually in my yard. Or does this say azalea? I often sometimes get them mixed up because they're so similar, but I do believe this is some type of a rhododendron because it looks too big to be an azalea. So this is Mama Lumari.
We've lost him. Look, Rosie's like...
And you can see it back off there in the distance. We're going to get a closer look at it right now. All right, it looks like we have our final troll off this way, little Alina. Welcome to the Canopy Tree Walk here at the Bernheim National Forest. Or is this a national forest? No, this is an arboretum. Anyways, it's a park. You can see the sign back there says, well, that's the crazy old lady, but behind the crazy old lady over there, she's blocking it, you can
There
see
it is.
the sign says elevation 900 feet. This canopy walk suspends you 75 feet over the canopy floor. So let's go take a look at that. Yeah, in case you couldn't see a moment ago, that's the Canopy Tree Walk, elevation 900 feet, and they've got a nice paved walkway here with some benches along the way. All right, there it is. You can see there is the Canopy Tree Walk just ahead of us. It's not very long, but I think it's going to be a very cool experience. I've been on some canopy tree walks before, and usually they're like boardwalks that are suspended around the trees. like the trees are actually supporting the boardwalk, and you usually go around a small little path, but this is a little bit different. Wow, this looks cool. And of course, we'll have a spectacular view, I'm sure, at the end of the boardwalk. Now look, you can see all the way down there. Wow, look at that. That is a long way down. Definitely don't do this if you're afraid of heights. Get a look on the other side up here in a moment. Wow, this is pretty cool. There's another view from the other side. I know you probably can't get a really good perspective as to how high up we are, but it is definitely high.
What, 90 feet?
No, we are suspended 75 feet above the canopy floor, or the forest floor. Wow. You can actually see, you can almost reach out.
Cincinnati.
Yeah, you can almost reach out and touch the treetops. Whoa. That is really cool and bizarre. Look at that view, though. Wow.
Look, if I had a longer arm, you can.
Yeah, you literally, look, I literally can
Go in there.
I literally can reach out and touch the tops of the trees.
Touch. Somebody love. So we need monkeys in the trees or something.
What does crazy old lady think we need?
We need monkeys jumping from one tree to the next, you know, like you have in Africa.
Yeah, I'm sorry, we're not in the Amazon rainforest,
Oh, I know we're
unfortunately.
not. I know. There need to be animals out here. Something's not right.
We can put you in one of the trees and you can make monkey noises.
Oh, yeah, right. Yes.
Thanks, everyone, for coming along on this episode to check out the forest giants, or the trolls, here at the Bernheim Arboretum and Forest. I do content like this each and every week, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.